Okay, so I just changed the map sensor on my car, but it was still showing a check engine light, and I wasn't sure why, or if the map sensor was really bad. It was giving me a code P0106. And then I thought maybe I should drive the car around a bit, and I did reset the codes, but that didn't seem to make a difference. But I thought that if I drive the car around a bit, the code might go away, and I was right. The code did go away. This is with the ignition on right now. Engine isn't started, and I'm gonna check for the codes again. The check engine light that you see over here, I mean, this shows all the lights on at the same time, but the check engine light specifically went away when I drove the car. I'm going to check it using an OBD2 scanner and see if the code has in fact gone away. And let's go to OBD2. And looks like yes, it's showing the MIL status is off, codes found 0. Wow. But obviously the monitors won't be ready because I had reset the code earlier. So let's see what it shows. Codes found are 0. That's good. Read codes, no fault codes found. That is awesome. Now we go back and we go back again. Yes. And we go to codes again, and yes. And so the other thing I want to check is which are the monitors that are not ready, because in order to complete my emission check and the state inspection, I need for the monitors to be ready. So it says monitors completed are 3, and those that are not completed are 6. So I'll have to wait for the monitors to complete. So the ones that are yes, this is what I would check. IM readiness. And so since codes were cleared, it looks like the first 3, misfire monitor, fuel system, and component monitor are okay. And there are some other monitors that are not yet ready. So I guess I'll have to keep driving the car around until the monitors all get ready. It looks like there are 9 monitors, and I'll have to wait for them to be ready. Okay, so that is great. And even when I start the car,
connected.
and it shows that the check engine light, it requires a service F, but other than that there are no check engine light codes that would have normally come over here, somewhere over here. So So that's good. Looks like the map sensor replacement worked to clear the codes. So that's great.